In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect two PlayStation 4 controllers to Android. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to set up multiple DualShock 4 wireless controllers and use them on a single Android device. You will be able to do this to play most native games and a lot of emulators. So all that you have to do is connect them over Bluetooth. So this is going to be by far the best option. Just follow the instructions to put your PlayStation 4 controller in pairing mode, usually by pressing the PlayStation button and another combination of buttons, and once it is in pairing mode, go over to the settings on your device and access the Bluetooth category. Now, I don't have a DualShock 4, I apologize, but if you put your DualShock 4 in pairing mode, you will be able to follow these same steps. So as soon as it is in pairing mode, you will be able to select it from here. And once the DualShock 4 is connected over Bluetooth, you will be good to go. As you might expect, all that you have to do now is follow the same steps with the additional DualShock 4 controllers. Even if you have more than two, you will still be able to select them from the list. Just repeat the same steps to put the DualShock 4 into pairing mode and then select it from this list here. Alternatively, if you are unable to use Bluetooth, maybe because your DualShock 4 is having problems or because your Android device does not support Bluetooth for whatever reason, the next best alternative is going to be to purchase one of these hubs. So as you can see, this hub plugs into the USB-C port on your Android device and it gives you access to additional USB-A ports. All that you would have to do afterwards is to plug the controllers into these USB-A ports. So I would highly recommend using Bluetooth first and only purchasing some USB-C hub if you are unable to get the controllers working through Bluetooth. You can choose whichever one you prefer, and either way, you will be able to connect multiple DualShock 4 controllers to Android. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect two PlayStation 4 controllers to Android. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.